So here is the code, because there's only one singular code for Helwig 9th edition multiple choice questions. They are mixed NCE questions, accessible through the Wayground app or on your computer with these codes. So the code is good until the January 3rd or 4th. You can take this quiz question multiple times. It's 200 questions, and so it's all the 14 category areas that's covered in the national counseling exam. So happy studying. Here is the singular code that is good for a month from January 3rd, 4th, right? Enter this code into the Wayground app where it says join games, and then you have access to its multiple choice questions. And like I said, make sure that you subscribe to get the notification when new codes will come out within a month from now so that you can take the questions and quiz questions all over again. So thank you for being here and happy studying.